Well, welcome back. Earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Jordan Classen about ranching in the Sandhills, but now, Jordan, you're back to share a recipe with us, so thank you for sticking around.
Yes, of course. We're going to have some Philly cheesesteak sliders today. So grab your favorite set of slider buns, and then you'll put some base cheese on the bottom.
Okay.
And then we'll add our Philly steak meat. We just put some minced garlic, Worcestershire sauce, which I never really know how to say that.
I'm not going to try it, that's for sure.
We're going to pretend that's how you say it. And then garlic powder, onion powder, and saute that until it's browned. And then we'll grab our green bell pepper and onion. You can use any color bell pepper you want. Fun fact, my daughter just planted a purple bell pepper, so we're going to see how that turns out this year. But so just pile that on there, and then we'll add the cheese here, and I'll have you mix the aioli sauce. I forgot to add that in the recipe.
It smells good
online today, but it's really simple. It's just, it adds a little bit more flavor to it. It's 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then 5 cloves of minced garlic. So, and then you'll whip it all together and then smear it over the top of the cheese here.
Do you want me to smear it?
You got it.
All
I believe in you, Grace.
Look at me, Mom.
And then once we get that added on there, then we'll put the buns back on top.
All right.
We'll have warmed our oven up to 350. And then we'll stick it in there for 10 to 20 minutes until your desired doneness, which mine is ooey gooey. So once the cheese is melted and the aioli is kind of setting in, then we will pull it out and dive right in. Something important about these is that they don't really warm up very well, so we just try to eat the whole pan in one sitting, and sometimes I divide it in half, so I'll do like half in one pan, half in another.
Well, that's definitely good to know.
Yes, yep. So great for like a poolside meal or even on game days coming up.
All right, well I'm gonna give this a taste.
Okay,
I'm sure it's
let's
delicious.
see what she thinks.
All right. Oh.
It has a good flavor profile, I feel like.
I like the textures in it too.
Yeah. It's really good. And don't forget to brush the top of your buns with butter.
Ooh, that'll give them a nice shine.
Yeah, yep. So in the Philly steak, you can slice up ribeye or sirloin or just buy Philly steak in the store, or we sell it on our farm too.
All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing this recipe with us today.
Yes, I'm happy you enjoyed it.